Hi everybody, this is Dave with another update from Wrecked Rebuild, working on the Suburban, and things are progressing pretty good. I ordered a new door handle in because my post right here, the mounting, the sex bolt, the it had come loose from the plastic. It probably got broken in the rack, and somebody might have come up and tried to pull the door open or something like that. Who knows? Anyway, this was pulled out, and I thought I could probably glue it, maybe, but what would you guys do? 15 bucks, free shipping. So direct replacement. It's not an OEM, but it looks pretty similar. The only thing I had to do is swap out the rod and the lock set, which is real easy. Just a snap ring, just a tension clip right there. Take it out of the old one, put it in, lock it in the new one, and not even a couple minutes, you're ready to go. Put the new one in. So pretty easy to get to. You have to go through this particular hole right here, and then there's rubber seal grommets that one there. You have to take out this one, go in right there with an extension. Just go in right there, and you can back that out. You don't have to take glass out or anything. You do have to disconnect the other rod from the lock assembly, and then that one that's already on the pull handle, there's a snap clip, and I won't be able to see it inside here. It's real easy to get to. Unfortunately, I can't show you. I could show you on another lock set I took out, or latch. It just snaps together. You put the rod down into it. It's like a threaded snap. You just close it. Stick the handle in and close it, and it's in place. And the other one just snaps in to that V groove on this red part of this one. See what I'm doing here. Anyway, like I said, this is progressing fairly well. Not quite as fast as I wanted it to. I've got all the sheet metals in place and everything, and I've got almost all the wiring harness is back in. I did discover I'm missing a piece of the harness that goes. It's a fog light extension. Excuse me. Anyway, I need that, but I think I can go ahead and probably put the bumper cover back on. Anyway, like I said, it's progressing pretty well. That's it right now. It does start, which I probably should show you guys that. Sounds good. I was able to repair this. This was all caved in from the wreck. Couldn't find one that they wanted to give up. So I heated all this area up right here. You have to go in through the other side of it. There's an opening in there, and you can take a long extension and a socket and kind of manipulate this back out. This had a big crack in it at this first seam. Not the real prettiest thing I've ever done, but it served the purpose. Got the new wiper transmission in. It was either broken in the accident or I broke it trying to do a little massaging on this front fender. So anyway, that's in. Brake reservoir in, and things are progressing. So I'll keep you updated. Tires are in. I haven't been able to take the rims out there to have those put on yet. I won't be able to drive this out there, obviously, so I'll have to take two at a time and get those on as soon as I can. But that's where we're at right now, and I'll update you guys as soon as I can. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, hate, send messages, whatever you want to do. But any comments, I'll try to answer. I do have an airbag for it too, but I'm going to have to match the color on the pad. So, and the Chevrolet emblem is worse for wear, but the bag itself is, of course, good. So I'll have to do some work on that. But anyway, I got all those items. I put the kick panel back in from where I had to swap out the door, everything. So we're rolling. And excuse me. Hope to get a little further along pretty soon and update this as soon as possible. All right, good luck with your projects.